So, you're taking photos of a new product to post on social media. You've found a nice angle, the lighting seems okay, you steady the camera and take a snap. It's an okay image, but it doesn't seem quite, well, there yet. The product doesn't pop as much as other similar product images you've seen online, and it's not quite as sharp or detailed or bright and airy. What could you be doing wrong? Well, every good photographer knows that taking a good photo is only half the battle. What comes next is of equal or even higher importance, and that's editing. Thoughtfully editing an image is what takes it from good to great, and a product from in stock to sold out. Thankfully, there are a bunch of free websites out there that make photo editing easy for average Joes like you and me. No photography experience needed. The first of these is VSCO, which has a cult following that includes photographers, influencers, social media managers, and small business owners alike. You'll immediately appreciate its intuitive design, which makes it possible to open the app for the first time and be on your way to editing a photo within seconds. This is mostly thanks to its large selection of preset filters. But if you're looking to set the tone of your image yourself, then you can use the manual adjustment tools that include crop, exposure, clarity, contrast, sharpen, straighten, saturation, shadows, and grain, just to name a few. Another great choice is Adobe Lightroom, which is part of the Adobe suite. This one is a little bit more complex than VSCO, with a slightly steeper learning curve, but gives you the power to edit your photos like a pro, and with the very same software that they use. Professional photographers swear by Adobe Lightroom, so you'll know you're in good hands. If you're looking for something a little bit more simplified, Canva, Instasize, or Pixlr may be your best choice. These platforms make photo editing accessible and with a very short learning curve. You'll have your first photo edited within minutes. Instasize even lets you add unique backgrounds to your product image. It's perfect if you don't have access to the perfect shoot location, so why not find an image of your ideal location on Instasize and then seamlessly insert your product into the foreground? Because this is the 21st century after all, and it's amazing what you can do these days thanks to a little bit of tech without even leaving the house.